Hello everybody, the Weekend Mechanic is back. We have a little package right here. Let's see what's inside. Here we go. Today we gotta change the front grills left and right on the BMW e46 2001 model. First step is to take off the grills. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Little screwdriver. As you can see, this one is broken right here. This one right here, right here, and right here. You can see each grill has two clips over here, two on the top, two on the bottom, and one on each side. New grills are installed. They look nice, shiny. Thanks for watching again. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to like the video as well.